your shoes are clean, it just makes your overall like style and outfit more refreshing to see, and you'll feel a lot better too. Hello everyone, my name is Wesley. Recently I've been feeling a little bit dull wearing my shoes. When I looked at my shoes, I realized how dirty they were. So today we're going to go over a basic method to clean our shoes. And I like to use 2 small bowls and fill them with warm water. For one of the bowl, I'm going to be putting our Jason Markk cleaning solution into this warm water right here. And you can use however much you want, but I like to put a little bit more than normal. After we take out the laces, we're going to dunk them into the bowl with stain remover solution. You could use any kind of solution for this. You could use the actual Jason Markk soap, or if you have any other stain remover that you have, you can even use bleach. Before we begin, I like to just do like a gentle wipe down with a baby wipe because it's so easy to use and it's very convenient. It's a cool way to just easily brush off all the excess dirt so that we can use the real cleaning for what's needed. Not too bad, but now it's ready for the real deep cleaning. And just be very generous with the soap. I like to just get it all soapy and nice and wet. I feel like I gotta be extra careful with the tongue because this brush is pretty stiff. So I feel like if I go too aggressive on it, it could ruin the tongue of the shoe. But yeah, I feel like if your shoes are clean, they look very like tidy, it just makes your overall like style and outfit more refreshing to see, and you'll feel a lot better too. I feel like when my car is like super clean after I washed it, I just really enjoy the drive a lot more. I feel like I want to care for it more. It's like that momentum, you know? I feel like it's the same thing with these shoes. What I learned that could really help to keep these shoes clean after you wash them is to store them. For the longest time, I just kept it outside in the garage, and over time it collects dust. But if you could keep them stored in like a shoe box or a shoe container or something, it'll collect less dust and get less dirty. I don't think it's perfect, but I think it's good enough for now. After I complete this process, I'll just throw them into the wash. Make sure that your shoe is protected with either like a pillowcase cover or a shoe protecting bag. This was a very basic and simple way to clean our shoes with a shoe cleaning kit. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.